You know, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6, it's simple. But did you know that hand plus fan plus water plus bottle is equal to HandFan water bottle? Today we are going to introduce an amazing product of HandFan. HandFan water bottle comes with an innovative and unique product to set the thrill in customers with its multi-purpose design and features. But before we start, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product video reviews. HandFan water bottle comes in a beautiful solid box. On one side you can see the invention story of this water bottle, while on the other side, specification of this bottle is mentioned. Let's open this box and see what's inside. HandFan water bottle is wrapped with paper film. Remove it and you will see this beautiful water bottle. HandFan water bottle exhibits an elegant finish in the blue color. You will also get bottle cover, fan, water bottle, straws, filter elements, USB Type-C charging cable, carabiner, straw cleaning brush, user manual. The design of this bottle is amazing and beautiful. It comes in two colors, black and blue. It has 600 milliliters water capacity, having only 300 gram weight. The material of water cup is made of high-quality food-grade reusable Triton copolyester plastic, BPA-free and phthalates and other harmful substances. Now let's assemble HandFan water bottle. First, separate filter body from filter head cover. Now put filter in filter body and place seal ring proper in filter head cover. Close filter body and now, place straw at lower side of filter body and tighten the cup cover. There are two straws, come in two sizes. One is used with filter body and other one you can use without filter body. Lock the lid to prevent water leakage. The rope is made of soft silicone and elastic material so that you can carry it easily. The power indicator, composed of numbers and LEDs, is easy to understand at a glance. HandFan 3-in-1 multifunctional portable water bottle, meeting your sports needs, suitable for outdoor activities such as running, cycling, camping and for office working. HandFan water bottle comes with a purifier filter technology which gives antibacterial efficiency up to 99% and give you water quality filtration. It is easy to grip and is sweat resistant. The cup is ergonomically designed to meet your needs while running and you can be enjoying the cool breeze from handheld fan. HandFan water bottle with fan HF7 is light in weight and compact, which makes it handy. The noise level of its fan is less than 40 dB and it is quieter than a soft whisper. Its weight is less than 0.5 pounds. It comes with USB-C charging port and it takes about 4.5 hours to fully charge. There's a built-in battery-powered personal fan on top for easy access. It comes with a high-performance lithium-ion battery of 2,600 mAh which operate for a long time. One full charge can last for more than 15 hours. It comes with 3 levels of air: low, medium and high. It gives fresh air about 5 hours at high speed and about 15 hours at low speed. You can also completely remove the fan and use it as a desk fan. The fan comes with this bottle is waterproof and can be washed by tap water but not with hot water. The bottle part can be cleaned with a wire brush and can be washed by tap water or by warm water. So, this was today's review, hope you like it. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Please visit and before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more videos.